So next up, guys, got a really nice heavy haul truck. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but you got a 2013 MACK CHU613. Got right at 285,000 miles, guys, and 9,300 hours. So miles and hours are real low for one of these type of trucks. Nice big dual exhaust there, aluminum rims, headache rack, air sliding fifth wheel, wet kit, air ride. Nice clean interior, cold AC. Yeah, heat too. It's got 18-speed transmission, Mack 505 horse MP8 diesel motor. Just a sharp, good looking, nice driving truck. Nice big chrome bumper. I'm here with Pat. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. And I did start it up. I sat in it. I haven't seen any codes or anything on the dash. It's a real nice truck. It's a 20,000 pound tag, guys. Let's kind of run it up there and spin her around for you. There's quite a bit of stuff in the lot. Back it up. We'll make sure we get a measurement on the wheelbase. Headlights do work there. The motor sounds real healthy too. It's a good sounding motor. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2013 MACK CHU613. Really clean, good running truck. Real nice. So good luck, guys. Auction time, hold 20 auctions.